Greetings to all. This is Akanksha Aneja, a career coach and an educator. Who doesn't like surprises? And Edukos Unite is here again to give us the lifetime opportunity. Just to update you all, Edukos Unite of Scholars India proudly launches Premium Professional Development Program for educators and leaders in association with Princeton Hive, USA. An energetic and enthusiastic platform for redefining ourselves. So, book your seat for 3 days power-packed session backed by international certification and video psychometric analysis test report from Princeton Hive, USA and Edukos Unite Scholars, India. Register now and you get the free Edukos Professional membership valid for 1 year from the date of registration. So come on, just hurry up. Thank you.